Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hola mis amores, bienvenidas otra vez a mi canal. So I'm pretty excited for today's video because this is something I have never done. So I'm gonna be putting the spoilers for the April Boxy Charm. It's exciting. I have seen a couple products that are coming and I'm like, oh my god, I can't wait. So yeah guys, if you guys have not seen it, make sure you keep watching for this video so you can see those spoilers and maybe you get a little clip of what you might be getting on the Boxy Charm. So before you leave, make sure you do subscribe. And make sure you do follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27. Click the like button if you do like these videos. I'm gonna be doing them more often, so keep an eye on those. I'm gonna put like a playlist, Boxy Charm spoilers, so keep that for you for the future. And yeah, make sure you do click the bell notification to follow me and be notified for my videos. Let's go ahead and get started with these. So the first thing we have is a theme. They had a theme for these and I'm gonna go ahead and look for it right now, and I'm gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see. If you go to Boxy Charm on Twitter, Instagram, you might see the theme if you do follow them. The first theme they okay, so for the theme that they have put for the month of April is peace, love, and boxy. So I guess that will be the little image pamphlet that they always put on those boxes. So that is what they have for that. Let's see for, I like my notes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give you the spoilers on this box. You guys are gonna be I was so excited when I first saw it. Before I decided to do this, before I decided to start doing this video, I did saw one of the sneaks and I was like, oh my god, that's so beautiful. So there's three things we all getting, and that will be the Pure Cosmetic palette, which is the festival eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna put it right here. It is a palette of 16 shades, and I'll put the price right there for you too. That is one of the products that we're all getting, and it's such an amazing palette. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, that is so beautiful. I love it. It's so colorful. You have purples, you have red, you have purples, you have pink, green. There's some like glitter shimmers in there. That is some good stuff right there. Next thing we're seeing is some brushes. We don't know from where they are, but I see brushes. And I'm gonna put the picture right here. They're like pink brushes. They look so cute. They might be Luxie brushes. That's what we're thinking. Luxie Beauty brushes. Might be those. The next thing we are getting, that we all getting, is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and I'm gonna put it right here for you with the price and everything. So that's one of the products that we all getting for the month, and this is according, I'm going by the Boxy Preview Instagram. They have like a little picture with like notes and stuff. And then these are the items that we might receive. So this is the variation items that different boxes might receive. You know, they change it up. So you know, you have 5 products on the Boxy Charm. So 2 of those will vary depending on your profile, of course. So these are the items. I have 4 other items, and one of them is the Butter London mascara. And I'll put a picture right here for you guys with the price and everything. Sorry, but my niece and nephew are here, and sometimes they can be like loud, and I had to just go there and say something. So if you hear some loud stuff, sorry. Usually it's the birds, sometimes it's my niece and nephew. Next item here that we have is the Starlux Cosmetic eyeliner. and I'll put you the price and the picture right here for you guys to see. An eyeliner. I like eyeliners. Can never go wrong with eyeliner, especially if it's black. So you can just put it on the other eye, or if it's like a gel eyeliner. I think it's a gel. I think it's a. Next item we might get is a lip gloss from Steve Laurent. Yeah, and I'm gonna put the. It looks like a pink, light pink. Maybe it's kind of like a lip gloss, so it's not gonna be seen a lot. So it's maybe like a light pink gloss. That's not bad. That's something cute that you can wear for an everyday look. And then the last thing we might get is the 24/7 waterproof liquid eyeliner from Beauty For Real. I have used the eyeliners from Beauty For Real because I got them, I think, on the Ipsy bags or Boxy. It doesn't even matter, but that is one. If the eyeliners are good, the waterproof eyeliner really good. And then let's see. And they just announced today that if you do sign up for the first time for Boxycharm, you're gonna get an April Fool's box, I think they're calling it. Let's see, what is the name? April FOMO box. So what this means is that it appears the April box is already sold out. So the box for April is already sold out if you didn't sign up. So what they do, they just put some items for April box for the new people that sign up today. So that is called April FOMO box, and 5 things are coming on that, and things that you're gonna get if you do sign up for the first time. If you already sign up and then you're trying to re-sign again, it's not gonna work. For the first time sign-ups only, first time. So what you're gonna get is the Tatcha Dewy skin mask, which those are amazing. I already got them in one of the boxes. I'm gonna put the picture right there for you. The other one is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. I already have that palette, and I'll show it to you right here on the picture. And it's a really nice palette, simple, not like oh my god, but it is a good palette. Every time I see palettes on the Boxycharm, I'm like, you know how much palettes can be? Like, palettes are expensive. And another product you're gonna get Luxy Beauty 4-piece brushes. I already got those to one of the boxes, so I'll put the picture for you here. The other product you're gonna get Tarte Cosmetic Lip Gloss. I do have another one of those. This box is like a past box, and they just added something different. And the last product that you're gonna get on that box is the EL fragrances. So it's like a fragrance. It's not bad. I never got a fragrance before. So yeah, if you do want to sign up for the Boxycharm for the month of April and this is your first time here, just go to my Boxycharm. Just go to the Boxycharm link on the bottom of this page of the description, and you can find my link and you can sign up for the first time. And yeah, you're gonna get that box, the April FOMO box, $21 only. Maybe a little bit more with like taxes, but yeah, that is that. And then the last thing we have for the April is that they are announced that they have like a, let me see what they have. So what they did for the month of April is that they're going to Coachella, and I'm gonna put a picture right here. I'm not sure this is like a theme they have to for the April box, but it says Boxycharm is headed to Coachella this April. A few brands are going with them: Pure Cosmetics, Luxy Beauty, and DR brand DT. We already know Pure Cosmetics is vegan featuring April. We knew that, so I'm not sure this is like a theme they have, but I'll put a picture right here. Or I'm not sure, or maybe it's the pure whatever they said, peace, love, and peace, love, Boxy. So yeah guys, that is it for the Boxy Charm spoilers. I hope you guys enjoyed the box. If you do sign up, I'm excited for that Pure Cosmetic palette. And yeah guys, if you guys are liking this video and you want me to continue doing them, make sure you do give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Yes, continue, and I'll be happy to do it. Okay, and yeah, I hope to see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.